Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you tired of juggling multiple email accounts just to manage all your different tasks? Stop creating burner email accounts every time you sign up for a new website. You are wasting your time. You actually have a secret feature built right into your current Gmail account that gives you infinite email addresses for free. It allows you to catch exactly which companies are selling your private data to spammers. Here is how to unlock the God mode of your Gmail inbox. This simple Gmail hack lets you create unlimited custom email addresses, and it's all done from your main inbox. Whether you're signing up for new services, sorting your emails automatically, or even tracking where your email ends up, this trick is a game changer. Here's how it works. Gmail allows you to modify your email in a couple of clever ways. The first method, known as plus addressing, is the one you'll probably use the most. For example, if your email is johndoe@gmail.com, you can modify it by adding a plus sign and any word you want after your username. So you could use something like johndoepluswork@gmail.com or johndoeplusnewsletters@gmail.com or johndoeplusteam@gmail.com. While these may look like entirely different email addresses, they'll all be directed to your same inbox. No new setup is required, and Gmail will deliver everything as usual. What's really powerful about this is that Gmail recognizes the part after the plus sign. You can create filters, labels, and even automated rules based on these variations. For instance, emails sent to johndoepluswork@gmail.com could automatically be tagged as work, marked as read, or archived. The second method is all about dots in your Gmail address. Did you know that Gmail completely ignores dots in email addresses? If your email is johndoe@gmail.com, then joe.n.doe@gmail.com or j.o.h.n.d.o.e@gmail.com will also direct to the same inbox. This is handy if you want your email to look cleaner or more readable without affecting the functionality. Just like the plus sign method, websites might treat these as different addresses, but Gmail sees them as one. Now, how do you use these tricks to sort your incoming mail automatically? It's simple. In Gmail, go to the search bar and click on Show Search Options. In the To field, enter your custom email address with the plus sign, for example, johndoepluswork@gmail.com. Then click on Create Filter. You can then decide what you want Gmail to do with emails sent to that address, such as applying labels like work or setting up automated actions. This setup helps you organize your inbox efficiently and saves time. I use this trick to organize my inbox. For newsletters and subscriptions, I create a custom address like johndoeplusnewsletter@gmail.com and set it to automatically filter those emails into a newsletters label so they don't clutter my primary inbox. I also create specific addresses for different services such as johndoeplusadobe@gmail.com for Adobe-related emails and johndoeplusbanking@gmail.com for financial updates. Planning these addresses helps me stay organized and quickly find important emails. The best part is that you can track where your email is being shared. If you start receiving spam to a specific plus address, you'll immediately know which website is responsible for leaking or selling your email address. This trick makes it easy to manage everything from one inbox while keeping your email organized and private. It helps you feel more secure knowing you can monitor and control your email sharing. A quick reminder, this trick works perfectly with Gmail, but other email providers might not handle plus signs or dots the same way. Before you go, grab our free AI tools guide from the link in the description. It's packed with game-changing AI tools that can supercharge your creative workflow and replace even more expensive software. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.